First, begin by finely crushing a whole package of Oreos. Here's a tip. Place the Oreos in a zip-top bag and use a rolling pin to crush them into fine crumbs. This method ensures that your Oreos are evenly crushed, which is crucial for the perfect texture. Next, combine the crushed Oreos with an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Whether you choose to use a spatula or your hands, ensure that the crumbs are evenly moistened and the mixture holds together well. Now comes the fun part. Roll small portions of the Oreo mixture into 1-inch balls using your hands. Arrange these balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, then pop them into the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is important as it helps the balls firm up, making them easier to dip in chocolate later. While your Oreo balls are chilling, it's time to melt 8 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate. You can do this in a microwave-safe bowl, melting the chocolate in 30-second intervals and stirring in between until it's smooth and fully melted. If you prefer, you can also melt the chocolate using a double boiler. Now it's time to transform those chilled Oreo balls into chocolate-coated delights. Using a fork or a dipping tool, dip each ball into the melted chocolate, making sure it's completely coated. Allow any excess chocolate to drip off before placing the coated ball back onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. Next, you can sprinkle some crushed Oreo crumbs or colorful sprinkles on top of the chocolate-coated balls to add a decorative touch. Once you've finished decorating, pop the baking sheet into the fridge to allow the chocolate to set. After about 30 minutes in the fridge, your chocolate-coated Oreo balls should be ready to enjoy. Serve them at room temperature and watch them disappear in no time. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats. Want to add a little extra flair? While the chocolate coating is still wet, feel free to decorate the Oreo balls with sprinkles, crushed Oreos, or even drizzles of melted white chocolate. Once all the balls are coated and decorated to your liking, return the baking sheet to the refrigerator for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate coating has hardened. And voila! Once the chocolate coating is set, your Oreo balls are ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're serving them at a party, a gathering, or just as a special dessert, these irresistibly delicious Oreo balls are sure to impress. So there you have it. With just 3 simple ingredients and a few easy steps, you can create delectable Oreo balls that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Happy crafting!